Hey guys, it's Ashley with 3R Sales and Service. Today we're looking at individual pressure washers. This one is the Pressure Pro 3500 PSI 5.5 gallon a minute skid. So when we say skid, that means it's on these 4 rubber grommets so that you can just directly mount it onto a truck or trailer or whatever application you need. This particular unit has the Honda GX630 engine, which is a 20 horsepower engine. And pretty much all of these twin cylinders have key start and then the hour meter at the bottom. This engine assembly, I guess this pressure washer assembly, it comes with the remote fuel tank, and all of these remote tanks have quick connects so that you can just quick disconnect and fill your fuel tank, take it off your trailer if you need to or whatnot. Just really easy to go together whenever you're installing. This unit has an HP series 5.5 gallon pump. We have the VRT3 unloader valve on it. Both the engine and the pump have drains on them. So this is the oil drain here for the engine, oil drain for the pump. The battery cables are already hooked up. All you have to do is attach it to the battery, and the battery and battery box are included with this unit. Down here at the bottom we have the standard garden hose fitting for the inlet. You are more than welcome to take this off and put a hose barb here and have your unloader bypass to your water tank if you're installing it on a trailer with a water tank fill. All of the Pressure Pro units come with this quick connect plug as the high pressure outlet on it. You can switch this around and put a quick connect socket on there instead if you prefer that way, or if your other equipment is set up that way. Typically when we're hooking this up to a hose reel, we'll take these quick connects out anyways and just hook it directly to a hose reel with a whip hose. I'll scooch this unit around so you can see the back side of it. So around back you can see the belt guard here. Comes with a 50-foot section of hose. Inside the packet that comes with the machine is the operations manual, the Honda manual, and then you get a chemical injector kit along with some extra O-rings. The trigger gun assembly is about 36 inches long, has a giant trigger gun on there, and then again you can see it's got the socket that's going on the trigger because it's a plug that's coming out of the outlet on the washer. You can switch these around if you prefer it the opposite way. And then we've got the Aftermarket Muffler on this Honda engine. This assembly weighs right around 250 pounds. The lifting hooks on the engine are the easiest way to lift it and get it onto your truck or trailer if needed. But if you have any questions on it, just give us a call. Thanks.